How to transfer money from American Express gift card to Cash App. American Express gift cards are prepaid payment cards that can make a great gift or reward. Transferring money from an American Express gift card to Cash App requires indirect methods since Cash App does not support prepaid or gift cards. You can link the gift card to a digital wallet like PayPal. Then transfer the funds to your bank account, and move them to Cash App. Another option is to use the gift card to purchase a money order. Deposit it into your bank account, and then transfer the funds. Alternatively, sell the gift card on a trusted platform like CardCash or Raise, and transfer the proceeds to Cash App via your bank or PayPal. American Express gift cards for friends and family make great gifts for holidays, birthdays, and more. Thanks for watching.